Video we're gonna talk about medians. Letting you know medians is the most, actually all of them are important, but I would say median is the most important property in triangles. Usually you would see medians always in the exam, in the quizzes, in any type of test. Medians is always there. Okay, so pay an extra attention to it. Okay, how do you know that you have to use a median theorem in your problem? Literally, the problem would tell you. For example, here, each figure shows a triangle with one or more of its medians. Done. Is how would you know that? You have to use medians. So what was medians? Medians was if you, let's look at the example and would explain this might be better. Okay, so these blue lines here are medians, right? This is median, this is median. So what does it mean, median? Median means if you draw a length from one of these vertices, for example, we draw xf, it makes yf and fz to two equal parts. That's all. It means f is in the middle of yz. That's why it calls medians. Is in the middle of the side. Here, D is in the middle of X, Y. That's why we know that this is a median. Okay? Problem will tell you this is a median. And what it does, it makes it to two equal parts. Done. For example, if this guy is 4, this guy would be 4. Beautiful. If dy is 3, xd would be 3. This is kids play right here. Okay, let's see. What is super duper important in medians? Right after you see the median theorem, it should automatically remind you of centroid. Centroid is the intersection between two or more medians. This is a median, this is another median. If I draw a median for this one, it definitely would pass by a point Q. So in this problem, Q is a centroid. Q is equal to centroid. Okay, point Q. You might use it, you might do not use it. It depends on what you're looking for. Okay, so median, centroid is the intersections between medians. Okay, let's see what the problem is asking us. Find ZQ. Where is ZQ? Let's highlight it. Find ZQ. Find ZQ if ZD is 6. The whole thing is 6. You are looking for this slightly bigger part. You're looking for this. Let me show that with red. So what is the relationship between the centroid, the small part, and this big part? Guys, centroid, it makes the median line 1/3 of the length of the whole thing would belong to this smaller part, and 2/3 would belongs to this longer part. Just by your investigating by your eyes, just by looking at this, you can say this bigger part is the 2/3 of the whole length, and this smaller part is 1/3 of the whole length. Okay, so I'm gonna write it down like this. Check it out. So I'm looking for ZQ. Look at this. ZQ is equal to 2/3. Maybe I just write it like that. 2/3 third. ZQ is 2/3 of the whole thing. What was the whole thing? Awesome, ZD. Right? ZQ is 2/3 of the whole thing. How do I know this? 2/3. Where does this 2/3 thing come from? From the centroid. From the centroid. Where centroid come from? From the median's theorem. So centroid makes the median line to 1/3 and 2/3 equal sides. Okay. So let's move on. The rest is your best friend, algebra. All you're gonna do is you're just gonna substitute numbers. So what was ZQ? It was given. ZQ was, thank you so much, 6. Equal sign comes down here, right? Equal sign right here goes down. 2/3 is 2/3, right? It goes right here. Check it out. I'm just gonna write 2. Okay, is it okay if I write 2/3 like that? 2/3, okay? Actually, it might makes you guys confused, so no problem. I'm super nice. I'm just gonna write it down again. How awesome I am! Oh my god. Okay, 6. I meant 3. Oops. There you go. 2/3 of ZD. What was ZD? ZD was 6. Done. Times 6. Now we want to solve this. I made a small mistake somewhere. Find Z. Oh, we were looking for ZQ. My bad, guys. So we are looking for ZQ. We don't know what ZQ is. ZQ is what we are looking for, right? We don't have the length of a ZQ now. See, ZQ, we don't know what's that. We have the whole thing, which is 6, right? There you go. There you go. So now all we have to do is we have to do this simple dimple calculation. Let's see. 2 times 6 divided by 3. We're gonna use a calculator. Let's see. 2 times 6. 2 times 6 divided by 3. Done. 4. Done. This is the answer for our problem. You guys might need to rewatch the video before you start doing your homework, okay? Let me know if you have any specific question.